I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, the 5th of November. Short-term warming trend, a little rain. We turn colder by the end of the week. And next week could be active. Some interesting model signs. Let's go in there and take a look. We'll start with the big picture. It's a water vapor satellite view across the nation early this morning. Got the big trough in the west, producing unsettled cold weather there. An upper high over the southeast United States. And that upper high should deflect the core energy of that western storm well north of here. Starting off the day mostly in the 40s and 50s. Birmingham at 50 at daybreak. We'll expect a high in the upper 60s today. Probably see low 70s tomorrow in spots. That'll feel pretty good. But notice the cold air back in the trough in the western states. Go up to Canada. Some temperatures up there are near zero. That's cold. Also cold up in the northeast United States. They're below freezing there. But we'll catch some of that colder air later this week. Up on the watch warning map, winter weather advisories from Colorado to Wisconsin. You can clearly see where that strip of snow will likely fall. There's the modeling off the NAM on that. Nothing really wide, nothing too heavy, but again, that is a sign of the times as we are now into November. Here's the QPF chart. Thought I'd plot it on Google Earth, a little higher resolution for us. And bottom line is it's not going to rain much. This is rain through the weekend over the next 5 days. The bigger numbers up around Fayetteville, Arkansas, Tulsa. Down this way, rain amounts of only about 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch. And that's going to be early Thursday morning. And many of you could sleep through the showers that come down. You probably won't even know that it rained much. Take a look at the modeling here. This is the GFS, the 06Z run. Yes, we now have that available for the morning videos, valid at noon today. There's your upper high off the coast of the South Atlantic region, east of Savannah. Big trough in the west, and down below that, the snowstorm gets cranking up in the colder air as a surface low forms near Trinidad, Colorado. And we'll have a south wind around here. The sky partly sunny, but the day should be dry. The high should be in the upper 60s. And rain stays well to the west. This is tomorrow at 12 noon, and pretty much the same deal. We're dry. Clouds should slowly increase during the day. And the rain is along that front from near Chicago down to Dallas. The rain should move into Memphis late tomorrow afternoon. But again, the day here tomorrow should be dry with highs at or just over 70 in most locations. Okay, we'll go to Thursday morning at 6 o'clock. And you can see that band of showers passing through here. And then by noon on Thursday, the showers are fizzling out as it encounters the upper ridge and just kind of dying out south and east of here. And colder air drops in. It's going to be noticeably colder on Thursday. In fact, I'm not so sure we get out of the 50s during the day. That'll be a pretty brisk, chilly, raw type day. And just for verification, this is the NAM, North American Mesoscale model, the high-res look. Valid Thursday morning at 6 o'clock, and it's the same. It looks just like the GFS. There's your batch of showers. No severe weather. No thunder, just showers. And the rain not all that heavy. And I'd say the rain Thursday morning should be gone for many of you in this part of the state by 7 or 8 o'clock. And then we clear up and we turn noticeably cooler. This is Friday. It's going to be a cold morning. We'll start the day in the 30s. Some of the colder pockets could see freezing, but most spots will be in the mid to upper 30s. And the day will be bright and sunny. Great night for the high school football playoffs opening round. And here's Saturday as we kick off the weekend. Interesting look there. Pretty strong energy north of us, and we got another cold front coming down the pike from the north. And that is producing some rain showers around Chicago and St. Louis. And that will be passing through here in dry fashion, more than likely maybe Saturday evening. We're not going to mention any chance of rain for the weekend, despite the fact that a surface boundary could be creeping in here. The air's just too dry. In fact, the weekend looks gorgeous. Highs in the 60s and lows in the 40s. Here's Sunday. Again, a nice dry air mass in place. So great weekend for football or anything else outdoors. It just looks fantastic. Go to Monday of next week. We stay dry, and this is a week from today. This is Tuesday, the 12th of November. New storm gathering on the lee of the Colorado Rockies, and moisture begins to return, which brings up some interesting possibilities 2 days after that. This is Thursday, the 14th of November. This is Thursday of next week. big upper low is north of us, and a surface low is underneath that, very deep, 990 millibars, with showers and storms trailing that. We have seen other runs that are farther south with a severe weather look. This is not as, threatening in terms of severe weather as the other runs we've seen. But we're not so sure this happens anyway, because look at the European at the same time. I mean, it has nothing. Nothing at all. That's why we call this the land of voodoo. Instead of a band of showers and strong storms on Thursday the 14th, the European has a dry, cool air mass with a big storm going on up there in New England. So no point in worrying about that. We'll just, watch it, and we'll have much better idea late this week and over the weekend. Here's the end of the forecast. This is the 20th of November. And again, the westerlies a little north of here. There's an upper high over the Gulf, and if that's right, the weather would be fairly tranquil and mild. That's it for the Weather Extreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog next video here by 4 o'clock today. And if you can, catch us on ABC 3340 News this evening, on the live stream of the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Can you tell I've got a cold? That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.